It may be Valentine's Day, but Arsenal's superstars were shown no love by Arsene Wenger on Wednesday. With hard work the order of the day, they face Ostersunds on Thursday evening, while the Gunners are regularly seen larking about on the training field. It was down to business with a match just 24 hours away. In Ostersund, where the Gunners play on Thursday, the daytime temperature is around -2, with the chill set to reach around -7 at night. Wenger opted for an Arsenal cap as opposed to the woolly number sported by many of his colleagues. The Frenchman, unperturbed by icy conditions in London. Colney, London on Wednesday lunchtime was around 4 degrees. But there was little flesh on show from the players. With snoods, gloves and hats used by the first-team squad, the Gunners travelled a few miles down